Good morning, champions. Welcome back to our digital world. Here we are going to start a new chapter of our syllabus. The name of this chapter, it is Boolean algebra. The word Boolean, it is from George Boole. He is a scientist who developed this particular algebra. And the second word algebra, it is the term that is related with mathematics. So Boolean algebra means the mathematics that is given by George Boole. Right? Now, a brief introduction about the unit is Boolean algebra is a branch of mathematics. It is a special branch of mathematics where values of the variable, just listen it carefully, where values of the variable are truth values. Now the question is, what are these truth values? If you want to find out how many truth values are there are only two truth values. The first one is true and the second one is false. Generally, we use these true and false if we are going to put a condition in front of a particular user. Condition means find a boy who is in class 11. Here in class 11 it is a condition, and if you are going to find out a particular boy, you have to filter boy according to the class 11. Clear? So here values of the variable are two different values. Either it is true or it is false. And in computers, if we convert this true into a symbolic representation, what is symbolic representation now? We know that our computer works on binary language only, works on binary values only, and in the binary language, there are only two possibilities. The first one is true, or we can say 1. The second one is false, or we can say 0. So here, true is noted as 1 and false is noted as 0. Now the point is, why in our computer science or informatics practices subject this branch of mathematics is included. Our computer also works on 1 and 0, and this algebra, it also works on 0, 1, 1, 0 only. So here the Boolean algebra is included, is attached with the normal computer operations. Clear? Now the next one, in our general mathematics, we are having some common operators like addition, multiplication, division, subtraction. These are the common operations that we can do in our mathematics. But in Boolean algebra, in Boolean mathematics, the common operations are conjunction, the very first. It is known as AND operation. The second one is disjunction. It is known as OR operation. And the third one, it is negation, or we can say it is not operation. Right? So these three basic operations are there in Boolean algebra instead of addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, root, power, lot of there in mathematical algebra. But in Boolean, we are having only these three operations. Right? Now, if we want to know the history about this Boolean algebra, it is invented in 1847 by George Boole. So here scientist's name is Boole. So from here the Boolean word it represents in this Boolean algebra term. Right? Now what is there in Boolean algebra? In Boolean algebra different Boolean functions are there, and if we want to implement these functions, it is implemented by logic gates. Logic gates are the physical component, are the physical equipment that are available in digital electronics. Right? How many logical gates are there? The very first and very common AND gate. Second one OR gate, NOT gate. These are the fundamental logic gates of Boolean algebra, or we can say of digital electronics. Now NAND and NOR, these two are universal gates, universal component of digital electronics. So total 3 fundamental gates are there and 2 universal gates are there. NAND, NOR, universal gate, AND or NOT. If you want to abbreviated NAND, it is an abbreviated word, and if you want to expand the word, NAND means not and. And represents not, then and. NOR means not or. Clear? So it is a basic introduction about this particular Boolean algebra unit. Now come here, the second part of the code. Here, if you want to know what is there in conjunction operation, conjunction means you can say and operation. And operation, it is a very common term. Instead of conjunction, you just say and operation. So, and operation of Boolean algebra, it works on binary multiplication. We did this binary multiplication in the number system chapter, remember it. So, binary multiplication is the base of AND operation. What is there in binary multiplication? We know that there are only two digits in binary language, 0 and 1. So, here 0 multiplied by 0, binary digit, remember, it is not a decimal digit. 0 multiplied by 0, the result is 0. Well known, the result is same in decimal number system and it is same in binary number system also. Now the second line, 0 into 1, result is 0. If you are going to multiply 0 with any other value, the result is 0. 1 into 0, just sequence change, again the result is 0. 1 into 1, what is the result? Here it is 1. So it is a basic multiplication. Now if we want to know what is the transformation of this multiplication in Boolean algebra, here in Boolean algebra, each and every 0 is denoted as false, each and every 1 is denoted as true. So here just check the first line. 0 into 0 means what? False into false. Into means AND operation, right? It is binary multiplication. And if we put this equation in Boolean algebra, we just put AND instead of multiply symbol. So it is false and false. 0 means false, multiply means AND, then false. False and false, result is false. It is the very first line. Now check the second line. 0 means false, 1 means true. So the line is false and true equal to false. 1 into 0 means true and false equal to false. 1 into 1, true and true equal to true. These four lines are there in this AND operation. Right? Now come to the OR operation. OR operation of Boolean algebra, it is just common according to the binary addition. What is there in binary addition? 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 10. It is there. We did it, we revised it in number system chapter already. Now put false at the position of 0, put true at the position of 1. Then here you can get the Boolean function. 0 plus 0 means false or false, result is false. False or true, result is true. Here it is true. True plus false, yani true or false, result is true. Then the last one, true or true, here it is also true. It is the OR operation of Boolean algebra. Now the last one, it is negation, or we can say not operation. What is there in negation? It works on binary inverse. Inverse means if you are going to invert 0, then we put bar, 0 bar. The result of 0 bar, it is 1. Just opposite of the particular digit. 0 ka 1, 1 ka 0. So here bar on 1, it is known as 0. It is known as inverse operation, or we can say inverter. Right? 0 bar means not false. 0 means false. Bar means not. So not false equal to true. In general language, in general life also, we just use this particular string. Not false means true. Not true means what? What is the result? If the particular thing is not true, what is the result? It is not true means it is false. Right? So here these are the three common operations that we can do in Boolean algebra with different values, with different logic gates. Right? I hope the topic is clear in your mind. Thank you. Thank you very much.